Alright, what's up YouTube? So we took the truck out today a little while ago, and I still am getting a little bit of rattles from this door panel, and it's kind of like right here, because if I grab this, it kind of goes away. So hopefully I'm going to take this panel apart. Well, I'm going to take it off, throw it on the little bench right here, and then I'm going to probably try to put some kill mat or some sealus on there, maybe try to stop that, because I mean it's very slight, but that kind of stuff bugs me. So let's get it apart and get it done. All right, well, we got the door panel off. Everything looks good underneath. Probably gonna clean some of this mess right here, but you can see where I had previously put some dynamite on here, but I'm going to address where that handle is. Let's see. So it's going to be right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but so it's going to be right here in this area. You can see right here is a little bit. Oh yeah, maybe that's where it's coming from. Anyway, so I'm gonna start adding some material to this, and probably all over, to be honest with you. Oh, I just realized that tab was busted. I think I have some more of these though, so we're gonna stick another one on there. That's one thing about these clips, you take them off enough times, they break. Anyways, let's get to it. Alright, so I believe I found exactly where that rattle is coming from, but it's from right here. This metal and this piece kind of like rattle together, so I'm not sure if you guys can get a good look at that, but I'm going to separate this a little bit. I'm going to shove a piece of kill mat or foam or something, one of those in there. Alright, well, it looks like that little rattle was taken care of. You can hear these couple little clips, but right here, it's not rattling really. I'm going to put some underneath right here too. Alright, well, as you can see, I pretty much just covered basically pretty much every spot, most of the spots where I could just, actually, you know what, maybe I should put a couple of pieces here, maybe right there, I don't know, but is it that big of a deal? It can't be any worse than it was before. Hopefully I didn't cover up any holes. I don't think I did. This stuff punctures pretty easy though, so it probably won't be that big of a deal. But as you can see, I mean, I just basically just went over every spot that I thought it could go without interfering with anything. So hopefully when I get the panel back in, it's going to go right in. But we won't know. And like I said, I doubt it's going to make anything worse. So it can only help. And I think I got to that spot right here really good, where I believe the rattle was actually coming from. So anyways, let's get this door panel in and see if it made a difference. Alright, so one thing I did decide to do was put some of this sealus on this little deal right here that goes right here, because it's in there kind of loose. So let's hope that it still pops in there. Let's see. You know what, I'm gonna need two hands. Alright, well, it popped in there no problem, as you can see, and it feels way better. Like, feels tight, doesn't feel loose, rattly, nothing. So that was actually a good thing to do. So let's get everything else buttoned up. Turn my music up. Alright, So obviously all this is copyright music, so I'm gonna have to cut. This door panel used to rattle probably the worst on that song. There was certain songs, certain bass, certain frequencies that it would rattle really bad. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but anyways, that was one of the worst ones. So all I could say is, man, this thing there's nothing. It even sounds a little bit different in here. So I don't know, maybe that rattle was, maybe it's placebo, whatever, but there's zero rattles from this door panel that I was getting before. And I don't hear any rattles from anywhere else. That door panel, I don't believe I've done anything to the passenger door panel, but I don't hear any rattles coming from it, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. This door panel's been pulled apart so many times that could be why. But that sealer stuff for the door panel, because the kill mat, dynamat, that stuff's kind of messy, but the sealer is just like a foam, and it's not messy really at all or anything. So you kind of just put it wherever you can, and it's clean. And so I would say for panels, door panels, any kind of interior paneling where you might be getting some rattles, I wouldn't even bother with the sound deadening mat like kill mat or dynamat. I would just put some of that sealess on it, and because it, like I said, that rattle's completely gone, and the door even sounds much better when I close it. Obviously you guys probably can't tell, but this is like my BMW when I used to have it, or my Cadillac. It's super solid. It sounded good before, after doing all of the truck, but it sounds way better even now. So, but the point is, zero rattles. That's, like I said, that kind of was kind of irritating me a little bit. But let me see if I can get some other music in here. But let's see, something with some bass. Oh, this song has a lot of bass. You probably won't even be able to pick it up on the mic, but let's do it anyways.
So fucking awesome. Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some renegade in it. Better watch who you be, this is more you want, you better listen. Now it's the big red Chevy, and it's lifted up, crown up in my Yeti cup, break it, then you fix it up.
Alright, so especially on that higher bass note, that song used to rattle this door panel. It's not rattling at all. So I would say this is a complete success. It didn't even take me very long, honestly, to do that. I've probably been on this job for an hour. That's taking door panel apart, everything. So taking my time. Obviously I've done it a million times, so that helps. But anyways, so I guess we'll wrap this video up. If you're getting some rattles in your vehicle, door panels or you just have things apart and you want to do it anyways, get some of that sealess. That stuff is excellent for the door panels. So alright, so wanted to show this part. So okay, so the radio is on, obviously the truck's running, radio's on. You can kind of hear it, but there's no rattles on the outside. That was just the airbags resettling. But you could kind of hear it. Let's wait for a bass note. Come on. You can tell, like, it's pretty loud. Like, really loud in there. Here comes the bass note. You can't, nothing, no rattles. Super loud in here. That's pretty impressive. I just want to throw this in there at the end, but I actually had never turned it up and went outside to listen to see what, see if I had any rattles or anything. And I thought, you know what, I probably should do that. But it, with the windows closed, man, you can't hardly hear anything, especially over the exhaust, which is a little bit loud. But I mean, no rattles, no nothing, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, I just wanted to throw this in there at the end just to give a little example of all the hard work. I mean, of taking the interior out, putting the kill mat, putting the seal is, obviously doing the door panel today, and just doing all that kind of stuff. So, anyways, we'll end the video right there. Signing off, YouTube. Have a wonderful day. Peace.